Are you looking for an email marketing SaaS website or SaaS landing page for your business? Or an agency, blog, CMS, or any type of SaaS website for your company? Introducing MailFlow TNC, the best Webflow SaaS email marketing template. Create or redecorate your website easily. Now, where to get this template? To get this template, you need to visit templates.themencode.com. Here, you need to search MailFlow TNC. Take a look at our MailFlow TNC template is listed. Here, you can check the live preview and designer preview or all the template variants from this page. Click Buy Now to get this template from Webflow website. Now, let's explore the live preview of MailFlow TNC. MailFlow TNC ensures a sleek design, and your landing page looks stunning and works beautifully on desktops, tablets, and smartphones. This template has all the sections that a SaaS landing page template should have. This SaaS template is ready to change the way you showcase your email marketing solutions. It's an invitation to the next era of email marketing brilliance. You can display images and text beautifully with the touch-friendly sliders. MailFlow TNC offers CMS integration, allowing you to update and manage your content in real time easily. You can customize your website with a user-friendly interface and easy customization of colors, fonts, and layouts to match your unique brand identity. Discover, install, and customize your template in just a few clicks. Present your services with a professional, high-quality website that showcases your expertise and impresses your customers. Now, let's see how to use MailFlow TNC. This is our template MailFlow TNC. Here, you will find all the sections and pages. You can change everything in this template. Let's customize our header. Just hover over the element and click on it to get each customizable option. Have a look. Here, you can easily change the logo by clicking on the Replace Image option. Now let's customize the nav menu. For this, I need to double tap on nav bar and select the nav link, what I want to change. Here I replaced this nav link name from Features with Our Plan. You can also change the link type, open type, page connection or URL. Then you can easily change this hero image by clicking on the Replace Image option. After that, you can easily customize or change this hero heading text. Here, I just select the text and replaced it with Welcome to Themencode LLC. Then, I also rewrite this subtitle too. You can see how easy it is to customize this template. Let's customize this button. Here, I select the button and it shows all the options for editing this button. Have a look. Here I changed this button name from Sign Up for Free Trial to Click Here. You can also change the button link, preload, page connection, open type, or URL. You can easily change, edit, add or delete any text or images in this template. Just select the element and do whatever you want. Here, you will find our blog section. All of these come from CMS items. If you want to change, edit, add or delete any of these content or any other CMS items, you need to enter the CMS collections. Here, you will find all of these. If you want to learn more about Webflow CMS items management, click the I button of this video, or I will attach the video link in the description box. This is our footer section. You can easily replace this footer logo by clicking on the Replace Image option. You can also change this footer paragraph. After that, you can edit or change each social link or icon. So, you can change, edit, add or remove anything in this template as per your requirements, and it is quite easy. So, if you are looking for the best email marketing SaaS template, get MailFlow TNC, and if you want to browse more template, visit templates.themencode.com.